Hello everyone, this is a tutorial video showing how to use the drainage pipeline to process the iPhone data collected along the hydraulic drainage. We first double-click this exe function, and then this GUI interface will come out. We will first select the file folder that we put our last file collected by the iPhone. As we can see in this image, for this sample site, we define 3 profiles along this hydraulic drainage. Each profile is defined by 2 cones that are deployed on both sides of the bank. For each profile, we will have 1 last point cloud. We will first click this browse button, copy and paste the folder that contains these 3 last files. Then click this select folder. After this folder is selected, this drop-down list will be activated. We will start from the first last point cloud. Click this Get Profile Coordinates button. It will run Cloud Compare, read this last point cloud, and allow the user to select 2 points to define this profile. We will first select this last point cloud. Go to this point list picking function. Left click the first point on this cone, then a second left click. We will then save the XYZ coordinates of these 2 points to the same folder that we have the last file. As we can see here, inside this test file, we have the XYZ coordinates of the 2 points that we just selected. Next, we will navigate to this file. We click this browse button, select this one, then we will enter the profile width. Usually, we will select 0.4 meter. And then, based on whether there is above ground vegetation for this hydraulic drainage, we will either do ground filtering or do not do ground filtering. After all these settings are done, we click this ground filtering and profile extraction button. Let's wait for a few seconds. As we can see here, a folder with the same name as the file we just selected will be created. And inside this folder will contain the above ground point cloud, bare earth point cloud, and the digital terrain model for this profile. We can have a look at this result by click this browse button, go to this folder, and click this profile visualization. As we can see here, we have the original last point cloud colored by RGB. Then this is the above ground point cloud. And then this is the profile of the bare earth point cloud. And finally, we have the digital terrain model, which is the final shape of this profile. Also, this pipeline offers another function that transforms this 3D DTM into 2D in-dot format. We click this browse button, go to the folder, select this DTM second profile, click open. Then we click this in-dot format transform function. After a few seconds, a text file will be created. Let's have a look at this text file. As we can see here, all of the points inside this file are 2D, only have the X and Y coordinates. Let's color them by height. And then make the points larger. As we can see here, these points contains the location of the point along the profile and the height of each point, and the units of these points are in feet. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial video.